Hey everyone, quick question. What if I told you Docker just made it ridiculously easy to run AI models locally? No more waiting on cloud APIs, no more worrying about latency or sending sensitive code to external servers. Yup, Docker just dropped something big. It's called Docker Model Runner, and it lets you run AI models like, for example, LLaMA 3.2 directly on your own machine. No cloud setup, no API keys, just pure AI power in a Docker container. This is a game changer for developers like us. Think like faster experiments, tighter feedback loops, and complete control over your data. And it works just like any other Docker container. Predictable, isolated, and easy to work with. Let me tell you about one incredible use case, and I think it's one that every developer can relate to. We're talking about commit messages. We all know that they're important, but we also know how often, not pointing fingers to any one of us, how often they end up being useless, like we write fix, or stuff, or pushing up. But what if your Git hook could generate smart, clear commit messages for you? That's exactly what this setup does. You pull an AI model using Docker Model Runner, plug it into your Git hooks, and boom! Commit messages written for you, based on your actual code diff. It just takes like 2 minutes to set up. And the best part, it runs entirely on your machine. No cloud and no surprises. All you need is Docker Desktop version 4.40 or higher. And from there, just enable the model runner, pull the model, and drop in a simple Git hook script. I walk through everything step by step in my blog posts, including providing you the full Git hook script and a working example repo that you can clone and start using today. Check out the link below, follow the guide, and give Docker Model Runner a spin. Whether you're building tools, automating workflows, or just experimenting, this is a tool you are gonna want to have in your stack. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more dev tools like this. And let me know in the comments how you would use local AI in your projects.